Hello, Quick Shots Part 7. Okay, I call it things. The most objects are result of a rotation or the plant pot or the bottle or the mushroom or the Schirm. Okay, Schirm, I don't know in English. Umbrella, okay, Etzel. And also the tree. Okay, I switch to the Nomad app. And I create a new scene. Okay, these are the objects. They are all made from a rotation. I do it very quick. Okay, I create a new scene and I delete the sphere. And we need only the lathe tool. Front view is okay. And we don't need to be very exact. For example, the mushroom is this shape. This is the mushroom. And in the view you can adjust it a little bit and do funny things. And in the topology we can see the wireframe, and we can reduce it to this. Okay, and for example you can add points. Then you can do such things, and you can make it black for clear straight lines or curved lines, and you can add another point and do things like this. You can experiment with this. Okay, when you're fine, you can validate it. And for example, we can change the view to orthographic. We can use the selection mask. And invert the mask. And we can use the paint tool to paint the head. And yes, you can do funny things with it. We can turn the wireframe on, and then you can use also the move brush or to adjust the areas to make it a little bit yes, that's mask is on, clear. You can adjust the whole mushroom. Okay, this is a mushroom. I delete this. I go to the lathe tool, front view, and curve, and a bottle, for example, we can make like this. This is a potion or so poison bottle. We can go to the topology settings. We can add a hole in it, and if you want to see through it, you can make it additive and make the opacity relatively low, and you can go to the topology back and reduce 1000 slider Radius start, length, topology, division. Okay, you can reduce the division. And then you can see the hole in the bottle, and you can adjust it. You can play around with it, and you can also adjust the points. When you're fine with it, validate it. You can experiment with these things. Okay, this is a bottle, and next thing I make is for example, I draw the tree. This is not a good tree. This is better. Okay. We can adjust the topology, make wireframe visible, and we can go to the top view and look. The division is okay. That's the axes are okay. I can validate it. And in this view we can use the selection mask, a lasso tool, and select some parts of a tree. Takes a few seconds. You can also experiment with okay, it looks fine. We can invert the mask, and there are a few things that we can make better in the mask, but it's okay. And now we can bring such effects inside with a gizmo, and now we can clear the mask. Clear. And you can use then also the move or the drag brush to adjust some things with this to make it a little bit and yeah, then you can also adjust the topology. You can divide it or test it out, and in this view we can use also the selection mask. And we can invert it and paint it green, for example. These are only things you can do your own. That's only a way. There are many ways in Nomad Sculpt. Okay, I delete this one, and a last one is the lace tool is okay, curve, and I draw only this one. Now we can edit. We can make clear edges. Okay. And now you can adjust the topology again. For example, when we do only 4, it looks like this, and we can make a hole inside and adjust it. You can play around with it when you're fine, you can validate it, and now this object appears. Then sculpting is possible, or trimming, or okay, it's a little bit wrong in the direction, but that's the lathe tool is very, very useful, I think, because almost many objects are a rotation. Okay, let's have fun with sculpting. Ciao.